Hi, this is Dr. Nanda from Jiva Med Spa. So, are you feeling anxious right now? You got some anxiety, there's a lot going on. Do you have depression? Is your sex drive a little bit lower than normal? Are you getting a little snappy or moody with the kids? Is homeschooling or doing all this work from home getting a little bit anxious? Are stress levels a little higher than normal? Well, hormone therapy can help. What is hormone therapy? It's when we basically look at your lab work, we analyze it, we look at the numbers. So we look at a whole vast assortment of numbers: calcium, chlorine, bicarb, testosterone, estrogen, thyroid, B12, vitamin D, so much more than your regular primary care physician or provider may be doing. But we are actually able to get this and we put you into that upper percentile, the 90th percentile. We look at the whole picture. And now we can do that through telemedicine. So you can actually get your blood work done in a safe fashion. We then analyze those results. And instead of looking at a reference range that may be the same for every 20-year-old, 30-year-old, 40-year-old, 50-year-old, everybody in that group has the same reference range. We're gonna look at you. So I'm gonna study your numbers. I'm gonna study your issues, your concerns. And then we're gonna do another telemedicine conference after we get your labs. And we're gonna talk about what the concerns are. You've already told me, for example, that I'm anxious, I'm depressed, my kids are getting to me, I'm getting a little snappy, my sex drive is low. We're gonna get your labs after that. I'm gonna analyze your labs. I'm gonna get you on the right regimen to put you in the 90th percentile. And we're gonna do it all through telemedicine. Then if there's something acute or if there's something that we need to address, a little bit quicker, we are able to get you in and do that. That's more of a unique circumstance. But there's so much we can do with your hormones, with anxiety, depression, that you don't need to go to a doctor's office. You don't have to worry about going and get a prescription. We can do this in a naturalistic fashion, get you right back on track, make things better at home, make you feel better, lower that anxiety and depression right now at the time when we all need it so much, and we can do it through telemedicine. Visit us at jivamedspa.com.